Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars here. The first one is a green monster truck, mini monster truck. You can see a nice monster truck. Logistic truck with a yellow container. How about this one, everybody? This is an excavator, mini excavator. How about this one? Cement mixer truck. The next one, mini monster truck with special colors. Forklift, very nice. Hero Iron Man. The next one. How about this one? Bulldozer. Very nice bulldozer. This one is my favorite car. You can see a luxurious car, Pro 7. Very nice. Everybody, let's move forward so we can see another interesting truck. But before we check another truck, I have to clean this one. Okay, let's start with another truck. I put some water. Supercar, yellow color. Cement mixer. How about this one? Police super motorbike, white color. Garbage truck. Everybody, you know this hero? Hero Captain America with a strong cashier. You can see Hero Captain America. The next one, super motorbike, green color. This is my favorite super motorbike. Police super motorbike, red color. Mini monster truck with a sticker of Captain America. You can see here. Police car. X crane. This one is a mini crane. Very nice crane. How about this one? Pressure truck. Last one, Mobil Truk. Everybody, this is a truck in English, but Indonesian we call Mobil Truk. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.